One of the things that we need to do when we are doing a maintenance is, along with your maintenance checklist, you're supposed to be looking for water inside of a case. There's water inside the case. Because then, as part of our maintenance, hard to see, that's why I splashed it, we can identify when there's a clogged drain. Look at that drain. That is gross. It's gonna be hard to do this while holding onto the phone. I mean, who wants to touch that crap, right? It's biologic. It's stuff that actively grows inside a drain line. Yuck.